This 2024 season will be the second year for Jack Miller and Brad Binder as teammates, but the livery of RedBull KTM Factory Racing appears unchanged from last year. Miller said, "2023 was a year of learning and of growth for me as a person and as a rider. Towards the back half of the season we really got comfortable with the bike and were able to start challenging for positions where we needed to be. In KTM, and my dealings especially in the racing department, when they find something or find a pathway, new ideas, better ideas and strategies, then they go all in on to have them on the track as soon as possible. Having that power and that motivation and that backing from the company is awesome as a rider. I didn't get to achieve all the wishes I wanted in 2023. I have a whole new list of wishes for 2024. The former Honda and Ducati rider was 11th in his debut season with the KTM RC16. Meanwhile, Brad Binder finished best of the rest behind a trio of Ducatis in the 2023 championship standings. The Austrian manufacturer took a best yet runner-up behind the Bolognese squad in the constructors' standings, supported by the Gas Tech 3 as a satellite team. No KTM rider won any single Grand Prix in 2024, but Brad Binder celebrated 2 sprint victories. Pit Bayer, KTM Motorsports director, said, "I feel that the package is very complete now and we have all the right people in the right positions, and also the rider lineup makes me very happy. Everybody could grow over these last years. We've had these MotoGP wins and reached a lot last season. 4th in the championship, 2nd in the constructors, but, of course, our big target, our big dream, is pushing for the World Championship, and I feel in 2024 we are ready to do so. The trajectory is on its way up," Binder said. 11th, 6th and 4th, so, yeah, I have no doubt we are going to do better than 4th. Last season was great at times and difficult at other moments. I felt like we had more in the pocket. We were much more competitive each weekend and always around the podium battle. This season is where we can make the difference. It's awesome to be starting 2024 for real. It's going to be my 10th season racing for RedBull KTM Factory Racing, and it's been an amazing journey. We have always stuck together and always had the same goal in mind. I think that we have always fit really well together, and I am really happy where I am. The only thing left is to try and finish off the job in MotoGP." Binder began this year with 7th and Miller 14th during the recent Sepang test, when the South African revealed they could have done with 2 more days to go through all of the new parts available. As well as its 4 race riders, Binder, Miller, Pedro Acosta and Augusto Fernandez, KTM can also count on star test and wildcard riders Dani Pedrosa and Pol Espargaro in the 8th year of the RC16 project. The final MotoGP preseason test takes place at Lusail International Circuit, Qatar on February 19 and 20.